Hello. I guess we're live. Hello. Can you just give me a quick second while I set everything up? Just getting the link to the live so that I can put it in our Discord. Speaking of Discord, please join our Discord. I think you can see it. You can find the link in the description. It's in just down below. Just give me another 10 seconds. You know what? I don't even need 10 seconds. I'm done. Alright. Welcome. My name is Isaac and I am the founder of MetaWatchies. Now, if you're wondering what MetaWatchies is, today's stream and video is not about MetaWatchies, but just a quick shout out on what we do and what MetaWatchies is all about. We are an NFT project that is by our parent company, Digital Consulting, that focuses on digital assets. So our utility is providing a physical asset tagged to the digital NFT, and yeah, to us it's kind of a technology that we want to create and see in more projects. The whole genesis of this idea was because of how inevitable we think the metaverse will be, and we want to have some real life impacts in our day to day. We want to see real impact in our day to day real life, right? And we thought that watches would be our first collection, and then slowly we'll move on to other stuff, right? With that said, I just want to, before I start off with anything, I just want to say a huge disclaimer that this is for educational purpose only, and this is by no means any financial advice. Also, I'm not trying to shill any projects, nor am I trying to cause any fear, uncertainty, or doubt. I wish that all projects would do well and are not rot. That's an ideal world, right? But we know that's not the case. So just always do your own due diligence, do your own research, and just stay safe out there. Right. Now, just for those who are new here, what we do is we review projects that are going to be live in the next hour or so. Sorry, not hour. The next 24 hours or so. So what we do is we look at the calendar in How Rare Is, and we take a look at projects and we just go through them, such as Crazy Goats. And then why we do all this is because we want to find out what are the latest trends and best practices that we can put in place for MetaWatchies ourselves. And I'll just give you some example. Now free memes are quite hot, and then we are thinking about implementing free memes for a project. We are still discussing on the feasibility of it, and also just a bunch of metas that you will see day to day. It changes quite quickly. You see it like every month there's something different, and so let's just see what's happening right now. Okay, so there's Crazy Goats and Great Goats. We've seen Great Goats around, and this is Crazy Goats. So it's a derivative collection. Now, I'm just not too sure about this right at the get go. Why? I mean, if you want a spin off of something which is a great project, why don't you just follow the roadmap and then stick to a good art? I mean, not good art as in like an original art. I'm so sorry, I don't mean that the art is not good, but let's just be objective and take a look at what the roadmap they have installed. So first is about this is this building basically, and then this is BizDev. So this is building their infrastructure. This is business development, where all your marketing and just expansion happens, collaboration, right? Yeah. And then this is the giveaways. This is some marketing. Oh my god. Okay, so this is all that they have planned. I think it's a little bit it's quite lackluster, don't you think? I mean, so right off the bat, not a great start if it's a derivative collection, and also furthermore, their roadmap isn't too exciting. Their roadmap is it ends only at after the mint, so it's very obvious. And okay, it's not obvious, but it's very rug pull esque. So I would probably skip that, and yeah. So let's just move on to the next one. It's Excel Labs. Oh, this is really nice. The way they, it's a little bit trippy, right? I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's a little bit choppy, the way the smoke moves. But I think it's by design. I don't think it's a drop in FPS or anything. Yeah. So they can excel us, but they can never break us. Yeah, I think this term resonates with a lot of like crypto holders right now. Seems like things aren't really doing too well for us, right? And we just need to hang in there. Alright. Nice. I wonder if okay, so this project, the NFTs seems to be like the artwork seems to lean towards like a more feminist design, right? Not feminist, a more feminine design. So the artwork, like you can see that it's like female art, and I'm just curious if this their team are all women. Oh, okay. So Andy is probably a guy, right? Yeah. So he wrote this. Yeah. Hey Andy, I really like your website. I have to say, I like this landing page. So talking about best practices and like trends, right? This is something which a lot of NFT projects are doing right now. Right at the start of the website, you're greeted with a very nice art with background, some moving background, and it encapsulates like the artwork, the art piece. So this is really, really nice. Let's take a look at their roadmap. Oh damn, this is sick. Alright, let's see there. This isn't any old document, it's a world map. Okay, please continue beyond the map below for a full write-up on what we are building here. Oh, nice. I like this a lot. Okay. It seems like this project has thought it through on what they want to deliver. I haven't started reading yet, but I love what they are doing. Okay, so let's see if I can. Okay, I can't zoom in. I'm not too sure if you are able to see it clearly, but why not I just summarize what they have here. So in the first week, I probably have to go closer to my screen. In the first week, so they have raffles and auctions, heavily discounted NFTs and whitelists. New core team members. Okay, so in the first week they reveal themselves. I'm not too sure where we are right now. Is it after the mint? Then they would reveal like 24 hours after the mint. This would happen. Then 36 hours after the mint. After it's fully minted, this would happen, and stuff like that. I'm not too sure, but it seems like their roadmap is. So what you saw in the previous project, the roadmap leads all the way towards minting. But this roadmap starts after minting, and this is where I think it separates the good projects and the alright projects. Good projects always look further than after mint, and they build before it's minted, and afterwards they are ready to launch. So if you think about it, right, 36 hours to launch their staking feature, it's you can't build and test in the 36 hours. So obviously before it's been minted, it has already been built and tested. They just need to go live. So this is great. This is why you need to kind of like read between the lines in your roadmap, because just looking at this, all of this, like, you don't take it at a surface level. There's a lot more to it than just, you know, having all of this line up in their first week. And then now the second week, second week they would have a monthly message. I guess it's kind of like a monthly meeting kind of thing where everyone gathers, right? And then what they'll do is explain more about what's going on, and then they'll have their monthly auction, the start of their monthly auction. Afterwards, they have a DAO. Okay. Oh, this is sick. So they have a product reveal that's going to come out in the third week after their mint. And this is a physical product. Very exciting. Next is the week 4, which is merch. Nice. So in a month after they drop, after they release their NFTs, and I assume it's after they are fully minted, they would have a staking feature, a DAO, and then they would have a form of like monthly meeting, hold an auction, and also finally have merch release. So all of this is under a month of being fully minted, and you know, this month is jam-packed and it's action-packed. So what this means is like they had to have a lot of time put in to prepare for all the necessary like assets and products that they have put installed for you guys. So I'm sure that the last few months have been really busy for them. And okay, it's a little bit difficult to read the thing below. I don't think I would want to do it on stream. And yeah, if you're interested, just I guess go to your website and then squint your eyes. Yeah, so if anything, I mean, we're here to give like constructive feedback, right? I wish that maybe around here they should have something about a world map version 1.2 1.1, right? So that we know what's after the first month. And then maybe what they want to do is every month they talk about what they want to do, and then they announce it. That's quite a interesting feature. But yeah, usually I kind of want to know like what more is happening. I mean, that's a little bit greedy of me because they already have so much planned under a month. And yeah, and then for this part as well, I wish that the font was I mean, this is alright, but I wish that I'm able to scroll in more. I think a good way to do this is probably on the web design side, where I can't remember what's the asset called, but having an image where you can click in and still zoom in, I think that would be great. Okay, let's just see what they have here. We're just gonna have a quick glance and see if there's anything interesting that pops up. Okay, so this is very interesting. So what they're doing is reverse engineering. I caught this work of all the successful projects, and this is something which yeah, I think it's very important. People don't put enough thought into creating an NFT project. They just see what's hot and what people want, and you know, things like passive income, things like join my cool brand, we have the best community, vibe with us, kind of stuff. But I think this they do think a little bit more, and you can see that they are okay. So let's say people don't attach to an NFT. They have held for 5 days and flip. They attach to NFTs. They have held for weeks, months, and more. Right. Yes. Exactly whatever I was just saying. This. Yeah. Yeah, this is exactly what they're trying. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. Like it's all a lot of projects are just empty vessels that look very similar, offer very similar things to what other projects are doing, but they never think about why do they do it. Like where did all of these ideas come from, and creating a project with staking features, with merch and everything, it's very easy. Like you don't need tech like technologically, creating it in the development side, it's not difficult at all. It's doable, and it's nothing special. So you have to find another angle and like see where all of this is coming from and build from that angle instead of just being a copycat. Right, foundations matter, I agree. Okay. I'm sure there's a lot of interesting things in all of this paragraph, but I'm just like blazing through it. Yeah, this is very much needed at the moment in this current climate. Okay, so they say this, but their roadmap seems to only point to a month, so it's day 30. So we don't know about like what's after day 30, but they're talking about rewarding users until day 1,000. Yeah. Okay, so that's the roadmap. Very, very nice. Okay, so this is locked. Okay, not too sure what this is. Right. So this has been Excel Labs. Very interesting. Definitely a much better, better in in a business sense and roadmap wise, better than projects that we've seen, on average. And yeah, so this is Tigers. Oh, this website looks very okay bears-ish, and a lot of websites have been doing this kind of design. Nothing new here. This nothing. Okay, let's just see. Right, Tigers is a brand. Okay, so let's just see the manifesto. Can I click this? Maybe it's not ready yet. Okay, then this is I guess the mind map is kind of like a what are the utilities in this project. So there will be an online shop. Cool. Yeah, you stake it. We see an NFT shirt, right? Wear it and enjoy it. Right. Okay. Cool. This is great. I mean, I think having your own merch in your project is definitely something that I think most projects should do. We don't have it planned yet for MetaWatchies, but we can implement it after we finish delivering our core utility, which is a physical asset. Right, at the end of the mint, you can file an entire collection playing with each other. Okay. Music. Okay, cool. This their token. Alright, right. This seems weird. Why I think the formatting was pushed down. It should be up, right? Yeah. So this caught me by surprise. Yeah, for this, right, it I listened to this sharing session, this podcast kind of thing going on, like a fireside chat. What I got out of it, right, is this term which is very it kind of, it's a very woke statement. And okay, so this is what it is. In Web 2, when you do a startup, you find a problem and then you see this problem and then you build a solution for it. But in Web 3, it's often reversed. we have the solution, but we're finding a problem, a use case for this solution. So for example, so the whole technology of blockchain, it's not really an immediate there's no immediate benefit. So what I'm trying to say is like can't remember what's the word. Okay, just give me a second. I just want to Google. I want to get the term right. Yeah, the Maslow hierarchy of needs. Yeah, I can't remember the name of the person. So Maslow hierarchy of needs. I think maybe let me just Google this for you. We can spend some time being a little bit more philosophical, right? And I mean, either way, it's still us reviewing projects. So just take a look at this and think about where NFTs fit in this pyramid. It's definitely not any of these. These are like necessities, right? And then now you talk about, once you have your basic necessities, you can survive for a day. Now you want to try to survive for more than just a day, and you want to make it less of a chance of surviving a day, right? Then after you are safe and you can survive for months on end, years on end, next you want to build relationships. Now this is where maybe a community can come in, and you want to have a sense of belonging. I'm sure the Bored Apes, the community in the Bored Ape Yacht Club is they have that, right? And afterwards, esteem. Yeah, you can see status, recognition. This is all about flexing and stuff like that. So NFTs kind of exist in the top part of the pyramid, which just means that it's more of like a want and not a need. And this is where building a technology like this is very building on top of this kind of technology is a bit backwards to say this in some sense, which is like it's just different from what startups have in mind. Usually startups they build from what are the problems, and then you try to find a solution to the problems. Right now we have solutions, but we don't exactly have a big problem for it to solve. I guess that's the way to put it. Now I'm not too sure why I went on this tangent, but yeah, okay, so there in terms of tigers, I'm just not too sure about this right now. I mean, right after looking at Exiles, tigers seems a little bit lackluster, just like crazy goats. But I think tigers stands a better chance than crazy goats. Yeah. Okay, so let's just take a look at this. I feel like I've seen this before. Haven't I? Yeah, okay. I've seen this before, and if you're interested, just Google Isaac NFT Nezumi, I guess. Yeah, I've seen this before. So, what is it, like a second launch? I mean, if they can launch a second time, I guess it's pretty good. Okay. Right now we are here. So yeah, the interesting part is like they have like 5 collection that they're releasing. No, sorry, I'm seven collection in I guess every month they have one. That's pretty interesting. There's a story-driven NFT experience with gamified elements. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Oh, I like that this guy has a LinkedIn. A lot of them with LinkedIn profiles. Very, very good. Means that they're not afraid to do this professionally. Yeah, I mean, if they have so many collections, I guess it's not too bad. Yeah, but I think on that day when I reviewed Nezumi Dominion, I didn't really, at that time I wasn't too impressed. I think what I said was something about using using acronyms, because I was a bit confused what ND meant until the end. Then I realized ND meant Nezumi Dominion. Yeah. Okay. If you're interested, just join. You can just join their Discord to learn more, I guess. But for me, I think I'll sit out of this. But they're building a very strong IP with so many collections. Now, DownBadDegens. Let's take a look. I actually contacted them to ask for a collaboration. Not sure. I think they did reply. I'm not too sure. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, so the Degen pad, I guess it's a launch pad. Okay. Oh, wait, this wait, let me just go home and take a look. Okay, so this seems like a boilerplate website from okay, let me just show you. You realize that some websites look very much similar. Okay, so just take a look. They have a background image with a body of text, and then a logo at the side, and then you see the buttons. It looks like that, right? Okay, now you look at tigers. So this and the background, right? Yeah, it looks like a boiler website, and hey, it not to just not to say that it's good or bad. I'm just saying that I'm just trying to show that if ever you're someone who wants to launch a project, there are things like this called a boiler template where you can use and make your website look really nice. And I'm sure that if they didn't use their website, it probably wouldn't look as clean as what it is right now. Right. For this, not too sure about their roadmap. I think their value comes from joining their Discord. I mean, from their name itself, DownBadDegens, seems like all the degen plays are probably gonna be called in their Discord, and you wanna be in the know, so you wanna look at all of them. They're all probably looking at Discord. Okay. Yeah, this is not too bad. Yeah. Okay, so I guess this is all of the projects that are launching right now in the next 24 hours. I mean, this is considered the next 24 hours as well, but it's June 20th, so I'll do it tomorrow. I'll review them tomorrow. And yeah, if you like any of these projects, just read more about them before you mint it. Think about whether or not their roadmap makes sense, and if the value that you get from the NFT is there. I hope that it's been an insightful session. I try to give you guys a different angle on how to evaluate projects, and there's more to it than just passive income. So yeah, let me know what kind of projects you like from today, and if you're gonna mint any. With that, I think I'm gonna end my stream, and this has been Isaac. It's been really fun. I think I'm gonna hit a 1 month streak streaming already, and I hit, I think, 14 hours of watch time in this 3 weeks. So I just want to thank everybody who has been watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe, like it, and leave a comment so that I know where I can improve. Yeah, leave a comment on what don't you like about the stream. Do you think I'm too long-winded? Do you think I speak too fast? Or do you think I don't enunciate my words well enough? Because I have a Singapore accent, so I'm sure for people who are not from Singapore, it's a little bit difficult for you to understand what I'm saying. Okay, so this has been Isaac. See ya. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. I think. I think you probably will see me in about 12 hours time, or within the next 12 hours. Probably go and sleep and then wake up and stream. Alright. See ya. Bye.